Mais HaitiXchange, HaitiXchange.
Hey everyone, this is Barbara, and you know, none only but HaitiXchange, we here at the art auction for HELP. It's actually stand for Haitian Education and Leadership Program. We'll learn a little bit more about them and what they do.
Hi, my name is Conor Bohan, and I'm the board president of HELP, the Haitian Education and Leadership Program.
I read about you, and you went to Haiti around 1994, right? So how did that come about?
I had spent a couple of years in Europe after I graduated from college, and I kind of got bored with Europe, and I was looking for some place that was a little more interesting and exciting. And I looked around, and I eventually found Haiti, and I ended up staying for 10 years. This year we have 80 students in universities in Haiti.
For people that don't know about the organization, how can they, and they want to help, how can they do that?
Well, let me just first tell a little bit about the organization. HELP is a merit-based, needs-based university scholarship program for top-performing Haitian high school students to attend university in Haiti. So we take kids who finish at the top of their high school class in Haiti but can't afford to go to university. Students have to have a 70 average in order to maintain their scholarships, and we have a 90% retention rate year over year. And we have a 100% employment rate on graduation with an average salary in Haiti of over $8,000 a year.
How can I help besides buying the art?
Well, there's any number of ways that people can help, but I mean, I don't know, there's a lot of beautiful stuff here, and for almost every price range. In any case, there's a lot of ways that people can help. Certainly, we're always looking for donations. If you want to learn more about the organization, you can go to our website. It's HaitianEducation.org, www.HaitianEducation.org. Bienvenue la Kaino.
That's what I was going to say next. Can you parler un petit créole?
Je peux parler un petit créole pour vous, chérie.
See, this is what I'm talking about. People are helping our country, so we need to do our part too. This man is doing very, very positive things for Haiti. So, kounya la, nan tout art sa yo, ki sa pi reme, bay vérité?
Oui, bon, ça c'est une question qui est bien difficile parce que moi c'est un écrit mais haïtien en pile. Et puis presque pas qu'à choisir. Donc m'ta tout tourner question en bas et pour dire qui ça ou même ou plus aimer. Non, ça pas veut dire me pas lâcher pour vous, hein?
Bon, ça veut dire pas lâcher pour moi, madame question, right? Like you said, they toutes belles, sont beaucoup qu'à choisir, m'bal font le garder encore. Après pour moi, combien comme gain en poche, moi m'baron soit prend.
Ah non, nous prenons chèque, nous prenons carte de crédit, nous pas besoin d'inquiéter.
I can't even get away with this one. So, m'dame du merci en pile pour ça va faire pour Haïti and continue success. Mes amis, malé, bonnet, malé. You come about to select the art that we have here tonight?
Yes, we know. You know, when we visit Haiti, we fell in love with the art there, and it's so rich and different. So there are about 20 artists represented here, from what they call naive, but because of the subjects they do, to contemporary and to very inventive and creative artists there.
I noticed that you were looking at a few arts, so do you have your eyes on any special one?
A few of them. No, they're all beautiful. You know, they all have something to offer.
So how were you introduced to this special auction tonight?
Well, I've been interested in Haitian art for a long time, and I have a gallery myself. And I actually have shown Haitian art in the past, so I'm very interested, and I have Haitian friends, or a friend is from Haiti, who convinced me to show Haitian art. So,
What do you guys think of the art so far?
I think it's a great show. Great show. I want every third piece I see.
Well, that's good. Are you guys familiar with the message or the program for this art tonight?
We are, and I think it's fabulous, and I wish all of New York City was out here supporting this organization because what it's doing is just wonderful.
You see anything you like?
Yeah, quite a few.
Really?
Yeah. I am a collector. I have no more walls, and I have piles, one after the other right here, one after the other right here. So I am a real collector. So if anything, and I don't find the price, excessive, really. And
Which is good, and it's going to a good cause, right?
yeah, I know that. As a collector, a painting usually grabs me. I don't grab a painting. A painting grabs me.
It grabs you, huh? So I noticed this one was grabbing you a few minutes ago before I jump into trying to escape it. You know, it was grabbing you because you were really looking at it.
And where do you think I go to volunteer? In Milo Cap-Haïtien, so I'm very familiar with the Cap-Haïtien style, really.
So you already knew where this one was from. Oh, wow.
MANZE is performing with her brother, Manuel Lewis, who's here from Haiti with his 9-piece dance ensemble. They're here on a special visa, and they did a tour of Detroit, Michigan, Ohio, and Pennsylvania, and now they're spending a month in New York. And it's a very important month because we're shooting 2 music videos for MANZE's upcoming CD. And I can't say anything about the music, you just have to see it for yourself. She's amazing.
Before you go, do you have your eyes on any of the art that we see out here?
Well, I've had some advice, and apparently the piece that's behind the cameraman, it's a face that's in pink and black, is a very important piece by a very important artist. So when we finish talking, I'm going to go over and look at it and possibly write my name on it.
I think I might beat him to it. Come on.
Thank you.